In this video I'm going to show you how we can work with images in the site. So this example site you see on the screen contains a lot of different images. You have the logo type, you have images in a slider or a carousel in the middle, and you have like icons or images at the bottom. You also have symbols in the footer on the right side here. So there are different types of images. We are not going to talk about product images in this video. Let's go into the back end and see how you can work with images in different ways. So images are located under Media, Images. And as you can see here, there's a list of product images, there's a list of content images, and there may also be symbols, depending on how you would like to split them. The way to upload an image is to pick first product or content as the category, click upload media, then pick a folder to read images from, or click add files to pick individual images. Just select them and click open, and they will be saved to the media bank. The way to work with images is that you need to select a page to put the images on, or a header or a footer. Let's take a page in this case, and there are basically two ways to add images to a page. I will create a page from scratch here to show you the two different alternatives. Let's take a content page, choose content. I will call it test 10. Save the page and then go into edit mode. And the page is completely empty to start with. Let's drag in a row with two columns, and I will use two different types of sections to add images. The first type of section is an image section. Just drag it here and drop it, and the other will be a content section. Drag it and drop it here. And I don't have a content section or content unit yet, so I will start with the image placeholder to start with here. I open it up, I select an image from my media bank, I will pick among the content images. I will select the one on the top here, and I save. And now you can see that the image appears here. Now it's possible to change the size of the image. 0 means that it will use the size of or the width of this column placeholder, but I can make the image smaller if I like. Let's make it 100 pixels. So now it's that small, and if I take it up to maximum again by entering 0, this is the size of it. So now I will save this and then go into the content unit and add an image to content unit, and then select that content unit to display here on the page. So I save this and leave the page for now. I will now move into content units, and I will create a new content unit. Let's call it content unit with image, and I will add some text. And typically you would use this alternative when you have a combination of text and image. Then the content unit is the best choice. So it should be place here. Then below here I will click on add image, and I will pick an image from the image bank. Take the same image. So this is how it will look. And I save the content unit. Then I open my page again. I think it was called test something, test 10, yes. So I open the page again. And then I will pick my content unit that I just created. Here it is, content unit with image. And save. So now I have added an image in two different ways on a page. The first one to the left is an image section. You just pick an image and it will display. And the other alternative to the right is a content unit containing both text and image. This is how you add images to individual pages.